Hi guys, my name is Nadia and I'm here at the Cleure headquarters, and today I'm going to show you how to apply mineral concealer and how to set it as well. So today I'm using our mineral stick concealer in light medium. And what I love about this formula is that it's nice and rich and hydrating, but really helps cover any dark spots or imperfections. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to take our concealer brush, I'm going to brush a little bit of product onto it like this. Okay. And then we're going to take it right underneath, and I'm going to dab the product in. Okay, I'm going to grab a little bit more for the other side. Once again, just dab it on. You can see it just goes on so beautiful and so flawless. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my ring finger and I'm just going to dab the concealer in. And what I love about doing this is that the warmth from your fingers helps melt the concealer into your skin and just helps with such a flawless blend as well. Okay, great. Now that we have the concealer on, I'm going to set it with our rice veil powder. What I love about this stuff is that it's a translucent powder and it's not going to give you a white flashback like some of the other translucent powders. Now I'm going to take some of our rice veil, shake a little bit into the cap, and I'm going to take our large diamond kabuki brush, swirl it into the cap, tap off any extra. You don't need a lot, a little bit goes a long way here. And then we're just going to buff it in and set our concealer. And what I love about this is it just leaves such a flawless finish, and you can take it all the way around your face as well, especially in your T-zone because it helps absorb any extra oils and just keeps you nice and fresh throughout the day and really matte. All right, and that's it. Thanks for joining us today. Let us know below. Do you use concealer and how do you set it? If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Also, follow us on all the other social media channels at Cleure, where we are going to be sharing all of our tips and tricks. And comment below and let us know if you have any questions. Thanks!